Tanzanian singer Juma Jux and Priscilla Ojo are expecting their first child. The couple shared the news on Instagram, and you can trust that social media went ablaze. I mean, a whole lot of congratulatory messages poured in for the couple, and they shared a series of maternity themed photos that was the bomb. And remember that the couple got married early this year in February. That's they had the Nika ceremony in Tanzania in February, and then had the white wedding and traditional wedding in April, and it was a global affair to say the least. A big congratulations to the couple. Trust the future grandma to share her periods to the couple, and she wrote, and I quote, "Sexiest grandma loaded." I can imagine the joy that is buzzing in the family. Just 2 days ago, Adekunle Gold and his wife Simi shared a photo of their new home. So it's like every couple is celebrating one big thing or the other. If you're a wrestling fan, then you will know Hogan. Hogan has passed away at the age of 71. May he so rest in peace. And then moving on to a not happy news at all is the Thai and Cambodia border clash. Now, I really think we should put the Asian, Middle East, and European territory in our prayers, because we are not yet over the Israel and Gaza war. We are not yet over Russia and Ukraine's fight. And then what is happening? Thailand and Cambodia. I mean, 16 people have been killed because of the fight, and 150,000 displaced. Over 150,000. I really hope that the issue will be resolved, because the dispute is over an 800-kilometer area which was colonized by France, back in history. Hopefully, they would reach an agreement or something, or a ceasefire agreement at the least, so that these persons, both in Cambodia and in Thailand, can go back to their homes, because it's not a good thing. Imagine not being able to access your home. You can pretty much not do anything. You're just stuck. You're eating. Everything livelihood is dependent on the government. So let's put them in our prayers. My name remains Esther Salami. Have a beautiful weekend. Make sure to like this video and share it with your community. Bye bye.